Hi everyone, let's continue to develop browser online game, and in this video I wanted to show you some new design which I created. And yeah, it's just a first version of design, but yeah, we will use it. But yeah, I will use it right now, and I'm gonna show you what I did. And so first screen, yeah, it's a worships page, yeah. Main changes is that yeah, I changed my panels. Yeah, I add some borders, some border radius, some background. I change layout a little bit. Yeah, I removed my panel with resources and island in the top and divided it into two columns. Yeah, and place it here. And I moved fleets panel to the right and did something like this. I think that it will be more useful, and I think that it will be better. So if we look at our current design, yeah, I had some panel here with my fleets and with my islands and resources here, and it looks very bad, yeah, and so I decided to change it. So I add design for this page, for worships page, for buildings page. Yeah, it looks the same, but yeah, this I don't need it here. Yeah, right now it's okay. So we can choose some buildings and build it or cancel it. And in this way, yeah, I saved some space, and I think that it's more useful when you just can click on some image, on some building, and build it if you want. And you can see timer. For example, if you are building right now some farm, some houses, for example, yeah, you have timer how much time you need to wait to build next level of building. So next one, yeah, it's about battle log. I change it a little bit and I add some illustration of battle process. Yeah, it's just some background with some decorations. Nothing so special, but main thing is that we have each type of warships with amount of warships, and we can see which warships will destroy it after each round. For example, in this round, yeah, our battleship has been destroyed, and for example, Luger has been destroyed, and frigate. It will be more interesting for people to see such illustrations, and yeah, I think it will be more useful. So, and I tried to change interface for sending fleet. When we can select some warships which we want to send to attack, for example, or transport or trade, yeah, we can choose some goal, some coordinates, or maybe your islands and send fleet. So it's not a very good version of this interface. I will change it a little bit later, but right now I don't have any good ideas about it. So later I think I will change it. And of course, when I was creating this page with warships, I decided to do it in other way, like for buildings. Yeah, I have right now I have some my warships. Yeah, and I can choose warship and I can build some warships which I chose. Now I can click on image of warship. I can input number of warships and build these warships. So, and okay, of course, I have warship queue, warships queue. Yeah, it's like a table. Yeah, nothing so special. You have 4 columns with QT, time left, and deadline, and type of warships. And now I want to change my layout. Yeah, I want to change my code and apply new design. Here, I started to do it. Here, yeah, I changed these 3 columns and now I need to continue to develop it. So I'm back, and I changed my layout a little bit for buildings. Yeah, I add some panels, grid panel, menu, content, yep, and header. So I add resources, island, and yeah, just temporary icon for messages. And of course, I have a lot of work to do. Yeah, I need to change layout of content. I need to change layout for buildings. Yeah, I need to fix this panel, add some icon, add panel for changing islands. I think that my paddings is too big. Yeah, it's 20 pixels, but anyway, I think that it's too much for my screen. Yeah, I think that I need maybe do it a little bit smaller. I don't know right now, but later we will figure it out. So, and of course, now I have a scale. Yeah, it's 150. So if it will be 100, so in this case it looks better, and paintings look, yeah, I think it looks okay. I need to continue changing layout, so let's go. Okay, I changed design, yeah, and I add some, I changed layout. And I need to migrate my database just to show you some timers, yeah, which I have, for example, here. Right now, this building is in process. And yeah, I have timer here and here. So, and yeah, I have a lot of work to do. I need to change my buttons. I need to add flip panel. I need to add menu for islands. And I think that maybe I should change layout here a little bit, just because this picture is not so big. Yeah, and here we don't have so many information. I will do it later. Anyway, yeah, and I have flip panel here. Yeah, I should move it here. I think that that's enough for first part of implementation new design. And in the next video, I will continue to develop new version to apply it. Yeah, and maybe I will add some changes in my design. I don't know exactly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, press the like button, leave a comment if you have something to say, and see you in the next video. Bye.